What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're in a different location today because I am doing a different video today. We're trying to mix it up, see what I like, see what I don't like, see what you guys like, see what you guys don't like. So I am going to be doing a quarantine cleaning in my room because people are nasty and I don't want to bring anything home. I'm trying to wipe down my room pretty much every single week. I cannot do it every day. I am a very big clean freak, neat freak, but I just can't clean every day. By the way, happy Easter. Okay, happy Easter, everyone. It is Sunday, April 12th. Without further ado, let's get right into it. If this turns out to be like not that interesting of a video, I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to do different things, and John and Lisette both recommended to me that I should do like, well, Lisette recommended that I do a day in my life. I don't know if that would really be that interesting, but if so, that's cool. Also, sorry that there's a glare in my glasses. I didn't feel like putting contacts in for today, so I'm just going to be you know, wearing glasses like the 4 eyes I am. Also, if you want to look at a quick outfit of the day, I'm wearing this like super cropped hoodie. I will not be wearing this today. Let me put the light on. Ugh. Yeah, I'm wearing this like super cropped hoodie. It says Ocean City, and I just have on these American Eagle leggings. First, I'm going to make my bed, so you can watch me do that. We're going to sit you right here. Easy enough. Next, I'm gonna clean my mirror. I have two mirrors. I have my big mirror right here, and then I have my other mirror over there on top of my vanity. So I've not cleaned them, and my mirror looks disgusting, so that is what I'm going to be doing next. So next, I'm just going to be cleaning my vanity for the most part. Also, take a look at my masks. My boss made them. Super cute. So sad that I have to wear these out now. Oh my god. So I'm going to be pretty much wiping down my vanity because, as you can see, there's like hair and stuff, and like there's a bunch of nasty things everywhere. I don't even know if you can see what I'm pointing to, but yeah, this definitely needs to be cleaned though. Like this, you see that? This is disgusting. Yeah, you see all that? Like that is nasty. I actually have a lot of stuff to clean. I didn't realize it did. And we started running low on the Lysol wipes just for the one that I had. But now, what do I want to do next? I guess I'll wipe down my TV. But yeah, you see all that dust and stuff. I need to move my boxes. These are my nice Key sunglasses, by the way, that I need to put. I don't have time to put them in the case, so we're just gonna set them there for now. And oh, this is my little, what are these called? I forget what they're called, but you know, the things that you get for prom. Yeah, this is the one that John gave me when he took me to prom senior year like 4 years ago, so I just kept it. But I don't know, is she okay? Okay, anyways, but yeah, you can see how disgusting it is back here too. Like this all needs to get cleaned. And now we are going to be wiping down my fridge. So I have a mini fridge in my room, and I'm just gonna be like wiping down pretty much all of this right here. Can you see? Like that's all disgusting, and then my tray that I sit stuff on top, like that's a little disgusting too. And I just gotta organize it better because I just throw stuff up here. So yeah, watch me just clean so much. I'm just so much cleaning. that looks bad. Do you see this? It'll focus. Come on, focus. Look at that. Oh, that's guac. I'm not a big fan of guac, so, you know, doesn't really hurt my feelings, but whatever. I'm getting so hot now. This is when I start to like be out for the count, okay? So now, next, I'm going to be taking down my stuff on my shelves. I really don't have that much. Normally my camera gear sits here, which is why it looks like such an empty space. So yeah, I'm just gonna take all that stuff off those shelves so I can dust them and wipe them down, and then I'm gonna put everything back up. Before I start wiping down all the handles, I want to finish dusting, so I actually need to dust my mirror because I don't know if you can see at the top. You see how there's like a lot of dust, if she wants to show you. So yeah, you can see all the dust on my mirror, so I'm just going to be dusting that off, and then I also have to do my fan, which sucks because I am so hot and I really would like to have this fan on, but I'm going to turn it off so I can dust my fan, and then also so I can dust my fan so I don't have my head freaking chopped off. Oh shoot, you can. Okay, cool. Whoa. Can you see it? Are you guys really? Why does this make this look so clean? Trust me, it looks so dirty. Like, you can only see bits and pieces, but like, oh my god. So I actually have my dress right here, and you can see all the fingerprints. Yes, it looks bad. I tried wiping it down before with Lysol wipes, and it did not help at all. And then I tried using like the wood thing before too, and it still didn't take them off. So I don't know why these fingerprints just like never go away. But I'm pretty much just gonna be wiping this down with Lysol just to kill germs and stuff, and also wiping down the knobs. And then I'll wipe down all the knobs in my room. Is there anything I forgot to do? I mean, I could wipe down my windowsills if we really wanted to. Might as well. We're here. Might as well. Oh, also, might as well wipe this down. Move this over. My boxes. Move this over. And we're gonna, oh god, okay. Slowly but surely. Oh wow, I'm strong, look at me. Be very careful with this because when I clean it, like all the, you know, I don't want to say juice, but the water or whatever's in it goes through the holes, and then it goes on top of all my stuff in here, so. But I should probably wipe these all. These are disgusting. Like, look at this. Can you see it? You see that? Oh, that's nasty. Yep, not cute. We don't play these games Cleaning is so much work. It's so much work. Might as well get back here. Look at all this. Do you see all this dust? Oh my god. So now my room is looking like a slight mess. As you can plainly see, stuff is still like everywhere, looking a little crazy. So we're gonna clean that up. Oh my god, literally cleaning was just so much. I'm so hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my room, disinfecting it. Yeah, I hope you guys just found it fun to watch, because like what else is there to do? So if you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to give it a like, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all the new videos that I post. I will see you guys in my next one, so have a great day, evening, or night, and yeah, that's it.